Are you wanting to know how to stop your bicep pain after a workout? Well, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in this video. Please post your comments and questions below and join us on Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to ask any questions you want. I'm here for you, so let's dig into it. You're going to want to put your hand up on the wall and no higher than shoulder height, and you're going to turn your palm facing away and you're going to turn away from it. And then you're gonna lean into it and you should feel a nice big pull across your bicep and your forearm. You're gonna hold it for 30 seconds and then you relax, and you're gonna do that a total of 5 different times. So the next one we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch out our pecs a little bit to take pressure off the front part of our shoulder. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put your elbow up like this, shoulder height. Don't put your hand on the wall. Keep your hand relaxed over your shoulder, and you're gonna lean into it and turn away. You're gonna hold that for 30 seconds and then you're gonna relax and do that 5 different times. Now, you shouldn't feel any pain in your shoulder. It should just be a nice big stretch throughout your pecs. Now we want to floss those nerves. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hand straight out in front of you like this, and you're going to drop that palm straight down towards the wall. Turn your fingers away from your body, upside down. Keep that palm nice and flat up against the wall. Now you're going to feel a big pull through your forearm, and then we're going to turn away from it while keeping that palm on the wall. And then we're gonna lean our head away and then come back up, turn back towards the wall, bring our fingers back up towards the wall, and go back out to the fingertips, and just keep going back and forth. And then bend your head away, and then coming back, and then coming all the way back through here. You don't hold the stretch. It's a dynamic stretch. You just keep moving through it. You're gonna do that 20 to 30 times, and you should feel a nice big pull through your forearm, your wrists, and even into your biceps or your pec. You shouldn't feel any sharp pain. A little bit of numbness and tingling is normal in the fingers and the hand. Have you been struggling with bicep pain for more than a month? Well, it's time to do our online bicep rehab program. It's gonna walk you through day by day what you need to be doing to prevent any unnecessary surgeries and prevent further injury in your bicep. The links below are gonna show you exactly what you need to do to sign up for the course. And if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, and join us for our live session on Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you guys have a great rest of the day.